What's up, you guys? Right now I'm working on my Jeep. This video, I don't know if you guys already seen it around there on YouTube, but right now, since I was working on it, I said to myself, why not make a video out of it? So right now I'm working on how to install letters on your tires. As you can see, I already started. I'm gonna show you the last piece. I'm using my iron board. Look, I already did the ones in the back. Right now I'm working on my last one on the front. Sorry for the noise. I live close to a highway, so I got a lot of noise. But anyways, this is what I'm working on. These are the letters I'm using. Let me open this car up. I bought them off eBay. As you can see, stickers. You stick them in the tires, just like that, kind of like that. So let me show you what I'm working on. Okay, this is some of the stuff you might need in order to get this letter to stick on the tires. I use my wife's nail polish to clean the tires. I use an old sock. You gotta clean it when you want it. Grab some, dirty sock, Chevis, whatever you want. You can use Windex. Cleaning it up real nice. So you can take away the oil out of it and anything that might stick to the tires when you sticking the stickers to it. Dry it up real nice. Make sure you dry it up. See, it's dry. It's back up. Get some tape. You're gonna need it. Line it up the way you want it. The tape is only to hold the stick. Don't think the tape is gonna do much to it. Some tape. Go. It's a little uncomfortable because it's a little windy. But I'll get it done. There you go. Let me put one last piece down here. Because you don't want this moving. Because if this moves, the letter might come out a little crooked. There we go. Next step. This is where the magic starts. For each letter, I suggest for you to waste at least 20 seconds. Move it another 20 seconds until you see that it's coming in real nice. It usually takes about 20, 20, 20, 20. Then I go again, 20, 20, 20. I would say, in order for it to come out real nice, do at least I would say take your time and take at least 5 minutes so it can come out real nice and crispy. Alright? This is what be careful with the tires. pretty hot. This is what I do. I hold it, then I go for 20. Come to 20 in my mind. Hold it for 20 seconds. As you can see, it's starting to come up. See? What I do is I do 20 per each. Like every half I do 20, 20, 20 until I see that it's perfectly sticking to the tires. And then I go to the next level. Just gotta be careful with the tires. Be very careful. Make sure it's coming up real nice. Now, see, I get the top for the 20. As you can see, I get the top. Now I'm gonna go on the bottom. Another 20. That's why I said about 5 minutes. In order for you to go do the whole letters. The more letters, the more time. You should know that. All right. I'm gonna show you. As soon as I'm done with this, I'll show you how everything came up. Okay. Okay, so this is the final step. See, I did all 5 of them. I mean 4. So what I usually normally do, I go one last time. I go like this. Just to make sure. And that's it. So let's see how spread is coming out. I'll take off the tape. Nice and slow, don't go fast, because you'll mess it up. As you can see, I'm nice and slow. If anything, you see that anything is peeling off, just go back real quick, touch it. That's what normally I've been doing. Peel it off, little by little. This one, I could go a little more here, like right on top, like I said. I feel like it needs like a tiny bit. Normally this is what I do. That's it. Nice and slow. You see now it comes out nice and crispy. Down here too. Just a tiny bit. These corners here, they are a little uncomfortable. When it comes to the top and the bottom, I think this one is too big. But it does the job. Okay. And voila. So you see, get all 4 tires. How it's gonna come out. I suggest for you not to wash the car, at least give it 1 or 2, 3 days. If it's nice and warm, I would give it 1 day, but since I'm in the East Coast, it's really cold, windy, and that's about it. See you in the next video.